Ever wondered how to make the perfect spaghetti marinara with herbs and shrimp? What if you could create this delectable dish right in your own kitchen, savoring each flavorful bite? Well, wonder no more, because today you're about to discover the secrets to this delightful dish. First things first, gather all the necessary ingredients. Kick things off with spaghetti, the backbone of our dish. It's going to hold all the flavors together and give us that classic Italian comfort food feel. Next up, marinara sauce. This is where the dish gets its tangy, tomatoey essence, making your taste buds dance with delight. Moving on to herbs. Fresh basil and oregano will add a layer of aromatic freshness, enhancing the overall flavor profile. Now let's talk about shrimp. It's not just about the protein, it's about the delicate, slightly sweet taste that perfectly complements the robust marinara sauce. Garlic, the flavor booster, is next on our list. A clove or two will add a subtle depth to our dish. Then comes olive oil, the healthy fat that will help saute our garlic and shrimp to perfection. Lastly, don't forget the salt and pepper, your trusty seasoning sidekicks that will balance out all the flavors. Once you've got all these, you're ready to cook up a storm. Now it's time to turn all these ingredients into a mouth-watering dish. First things first, let's get that pan nice and hot. Add a dash of olive oil, just enough to coat the bottom of the pan. Once the oil is shimmering, toss in your minced garlic. Ah, the aroma of sizzling garlic. Isn't it just enticing? Now, for the star of the show, the shrimp. Add them to the pan and watch as they transform from a dull gray to a vibrant pink. That's when you know they're perfectly cooked. Be careful not to overcook them though, or they'll turn rubbery. Once they're done, set them aside on a plate. While the shrimp are resting, let's move on to the spaghetti. Cook it in boiling salted water until it's al dente. That's Italian for to the tooth. It means the pasta should be firm when bitten. While the spaghetti is bubbling away, let's get back to our pan. Pour in the marinara sauce and let it heat up. As it starts to simmer, add in your chosen herbs. The fragrance of the herbs blending with the tangy marinara sauce is simply divine. Now drain your pasta and add it to the sauce. Give it a good mix, ensuring every strand is coated. Finally, add the cooked shrimp back into the pan and stir until everything is well combined. Voila, your spaghetti marinara with herbs and shrimp is ready to be devoured. So there you have it. Our adventure through the simple steps of crafting a delectable spaghetti marinara with herbs and shrimp has come to an end. Now, you're equipped with the know-how to impress your friends and family with the perfect spaghetti marinara with herbs and shrimp. Enjoy your cooking adventure.